Welcome to day 22 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to shape AI's ethical future? Today, we're diving into advanced AI ethics, mind-blowing moral magic for a responsible world. This 20-minute journey will captivate you. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master ethical AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore advanced AI ethics. It's about tackling global AI challenges, and it's awe-inspiring. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock deeper moral secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Advanced AI ethics tackles big issues like global governance, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo auditing AI ethics. It's going to be transformative. Stick with us to master this magic. I'm thrilled to show you what's next. Let's shape a fair AI future.
Let's recap Day 21's ethical magic. We learned how AI ethics ensure fairness, using FairLearn to detect bias in hiring algorithms. We built a demo to audit bias and explored principles like transparency. It was moral wizardry. I'm so excited for advanced ethics today. Let's dive deeper. This is our next moral spell.
The bias demo was incredible, Anastasia. Seeing AI fairness in action was so inspiring. I'm thrilled to tackle advanced ethical challenges now. This is a new moral adventure. Let's keep the AI fire burning.
Today we're diving into advanced AI ethics, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore complex concepts, global governance, long-term risks, and ethical auditing techniques. We'll build a Python demo to audit AI compliance. This journey will shape your ethical vision. Let's master moral magic. Get ready for global AI ethics. Isabella, why are advanced ethics exciting?
They tackle big AI issues, Anastasia. Global ethics ensure a fair future, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine AI's role. Let's unlock its potential.
Advanced AI ethics tackle complex challenges. They address global and systemic issues, including long-term risks, and require interdisciplinary solutions. They shape AI's moral future. This is next-level AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's tackle these challenges. Get ready for big ideas. Isabella, what's a key advanced ethics focus?
Global governance, Anastasia. It ensures AI benefits humanity, and it's so critical. I'm excited to see how it works. It's like AI with a global conscience. This is transformative.
Why do advanced ethics matter? They mitigate systemic biases, address global AI impacts, prevent existential risks, and ensure sustainable AI growth. They're vital for humanity's future. This is crucial AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see their importance. Ethics shape AI's destiny. Isabella, why global impacts?
They affect everyone, Anastasia. Global ethics ensure AI is fair worldwide, and I love its scope. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is AI with a world view.
Systemic bias is a major issue. It spreads across AI systems, like cross-cultural biases requiring structural fixes. Ethics demand systemic audits to address it. This is advanced AI magic. I'm excited to break it down. Let's audit these biases. This ensures systemic fairness. Isabella, why systemic bias?
It's deeply rooted, Anastasia. Systemic bias affects entire systems, and I'm thrilled to fix it. It's like untangling a web. This makes AI equitable.
Global AI governance is key. It coordinates international policies like UNESCO's AI principles, balancing innovation and ethics. It promotes universal standards for fairness. This is global AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's govern AI globally. This unites the world. Isabella, why global governance?
It unifies AI ethics, Anastasia. Global policies ensure fairness everywhere, and I'm excited. It's like a world treaty. This builds global trust.
Long-term AI risks are critical. They include existential threats like autonomous weapons, requiring proactive ethics to mitigate catastrophes. This shapes AI's safe future. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's address these risks. This protects humanity. Isabella, why long-term risks?
They're about our future, Anastasia. Preventing threats is vital, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like safeguarding tomorrow. This ensures AI safety.
Ethical AI auditing is essential. It evaluates AI compliance using metrics and frameworks, like fairness audits, ensuring ethical alignment. It's the backbone of advanced ethics. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's audit AI ethically. This upholds moral standards. Isabella, why auditing?
It checks AI's ethics, Anastasia. Audits ensure fairness, and I'm excited to learn. It's like an ethical exam. This keeps AI honest.
Cross-cultural ethics are vital. They respect diverse values, avoid cultural biases, and use global frameworks to promote inclusive AI. This unites humanity through AI. I'm so excited to explain. Let's embrace diversity. This fosters global fairness. Isabella, why cultural ethics?
They honor all cultures, Anastasia. Inclusive AI respects everyone, and I'm thrilled. It's like a global bridge. This makes AI universal.
AI must protect human rights. It addresses surveillance risks like privacy violations, ensuring ethics uphold human dignity. This is moral AI's core. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's safeguard rights. This respects humanity. Isabella, why human rights?
They're universal, Anastasia. Protecting rights through AI is crucial, and I'm excited. It's like a moral shield. This ensures dignity.
Ethical AI transforms industries. It's applied in tech and finance, requiring compliance with responsible AI policies to build consumer trust. This drives ethical innovation. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's apply ethics in industry. This shapes trust. Isabella, why industry ethics?
They build confidence, Anastasia. Ethical industries gain trust, and I'm thrilled. It's like a trust badge. This powers ethical business.
Advanced ethics face tough challenges. Aligning AI with human values, managing superintelligent AI, enforcing global compliance, and balancing ethics with innovation are complex. We'll tackle these. I'm so ready to solve them. Let's address these hurdles. This is Ethics Frontier. Isabella, why value alignment?
It's AI's soul, Anastasia. Aligning values ensures good AI, and I'm excited for solutions. It's like a moral puzzle. This tests advanced ethics.
Let's mitigate advanced challenges. Develop robust frameworks, use advanced auditing tools, foster global collaboration, and research AI alignment. These solutions power ethical AI. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's make AI responsible. This shapes a moral future. Isabella, why collaboration?
It unites the world, Anastasia. Global teamwork solves ethics, and I'm so excited. It's like a world council. This strengthens AI ethics.
Advanced governance models evolve AI ethics. They use decentralized oversight, like blockchain for audits, ensuring transparent compliance. They adapt to AI's evolution. I'm excited to explore it. Let's govern AI innovatively. This builds a fair future. Isabella, why decentralized governance?
It's transparent, Anastasia. Decentralized models ensure trust, and I'm thrilled to learn. It's like open ethics. This ensures compliance.
Superintelligent AI ethics are futuristic. Hypothetical advanced AI poses unique risks, requiring value alignment and preemptive governance. This prepares us for tomorrow. I'm thrilled to discuss it. Let's align super AI. This safeguards the future. Isabella, why alignment?
It guides super AI Anastasia. Alignment ensures safety, and I'm excited. It's like a future compass. This protects humanity.
Advanced AI faces real-world issues. Ethics in autonomous systems, bias in global deployments, and AI-driven misinformation are risks. Ethics address these to protect society. I'm so inspired by this. Let's solve these issues. This shapes AI's role. Isabella, which issue stands out?
Misinformation, Anastasia? AI spreading false info is serious, and I'm thrilled by ethics' role. It's like fighting lies. This is critical.
Advanced tools power ethical AI. AI auditing platforms like Aequitas and FairLearn offer automated compliance checks to enhance oversight. These are ethics' future. I'm thrilled to explore them. Let's use these tools. This ensures advanced fairness. Isabella, why advanced tools?
They automate ethics, Anastasia. Tools like Aequitas ensure fairness, and I'm excited. It's like ethical tech. This transforms AI.
Hi, wizards, it's Sophia. Let's prep for our advanced AI ethics demo. Install Python and Aequitas with pip install Aequitas. Grab the ethics_audit.csv dataset, linked below, for ethical auditing. I'm so excited to audit AI. This is going to be epic. Let's start the moral magic. Ethan, what's next?
Hey, I'm Ethan. Launch Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Notebook in the terminal to set up our coding environment. We'll audit an AI model's ethical compliance. Let's make advanced ethical magic. I'm thrilled to get started. Let's code some ethics. This is our moral canvas.
It's demo time. Sophia and Ethan will lead a Python demo using Aequitas to audit an AI model's ethical compliance. Get ready for advanced moral magic. I'm so excited to see it. This will transform your perspective. Let's watch Sophia and Ethan shine. This is advanced ethics' big moment.
Hey, I'm Ethan, breaking down our advanced ethics demo code. We load ethics_audit.csv, use Aequitas to analyze an AI model, compute ethical metrics, and visualize compliance. This code powers our moral magic. I'm thrilled to share its details. Let's see it in action. This is AI at its most ethical. Let's audit compliance.
It's Sophia here. Ethan's code sets up our ethical audit perfectly for AI compliance. I'm so excited to run it. This is where advanced moral magic begins. Let's ensure ethical AI. This is our moral lens. Hi, I'm Sophia. We're using Aequitas to audit an AI model's ethical compliance. I analyze the data and visualize, look at that ethical insight. This is advanced moral magic. I'm thrilled to show it. Let's ensure compliance. This is AI's ethical check.
And I'm Ethan. We load ethics_audit.csv, compute ethical metrics with Aequitas, and visualize results to spot compliance issues. The insights reveal fairness gaps clearly. I'm so thrilled to see it work. Let's promote ethical AI. This is advanced ethics in action. Let's keep coding.
Wow, Sophia and Ethan, that was magical. They loaded AI prediction data, computed ethical metrics with Aequitas, and visualized results to identify compliance gaps. This shows advanced ethics power. I'm so impressed. Let's break it down. This is AI with moral clarity. Isabella, what stood out?
The compliance metrics were incredible, Anastasia. They revealed ethical gaps so clearly, and I'm thrilled by the results. This is advanced ethical magic. This ensures just AI.
Here's tips for advanced AI ethics. Conduct regular audits, use advanced ethical tools, collaborate globally, and research AI alignment. These tips make you an ethics master. I'm so excited for you. Let's master these tricks. This is your advanced spell book. Isabella, any tips to add?
Engage ethicists, Anastasia. Expert input strengthens ethics, and I love this approach. It's like crafting a wise spell. This boosts advanced AI.
Let's recap Day 22. Advanced AI ethics tackle global issues using tools like Aequitas to audit compliance. We built a demo to ensure ethical AI with clear insights. Your task: audit an AI model for ethics and share results in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is your moral victory.
What a journey, Anastasia. From global governance to ethical audits, we've unlocked advanced moral magic. I'm thrilled for everyone's progress. Let's keep building ethical spells, try the task, and shine.
That's a wrap for Day 22. Amazing wizards. I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined us for Advanced AI Ethics. It's been a moral masterpiece. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Day 23 explores AI in healthcare with Sophia and Ethan revealing life-changing AI tricks. I'm thrilled for what's next. Let's keep the AI fire burning. This is just the start.
Hey, I'm Sophia. This ethics demo with Ethan was pure magic, auditing AI to ensure fairness and compliance. You're all wizards for mastering advanced AI ethics, and I'm so proud of you. Day 23 dives into AI in healthcare, where Ethan and I will unleash transformative AI sorcery. Can you guess how AI will save lives? Visit DailyAIWizard.com, keep auditing, and share your ethical audit results in the comments. I'm so excited for your journey. Let's make more ethical AI magic. See you tomorrow.
Isabella here. Advanced AI ethics is so thrilling, shaping AI into a global force for good, and I'm blown away by what we've learned. Day 22 was just the start, and Day 23's AI in healthcare will take us deeper into life-changing spells with Sophia and Ethan leading the way. What new AI secrets will we uncover? Stick with Daily AI Wizard to find out. Keep coding, stay curious, and let's make more AI magic together. I can't wait for our next adventure. Let's level up your ethical skills.
Ethan here. Loved coding this ethics demo. Aequitas is incredible. Day 23 will amplify the magic with AI in healthcare. See you soon. Keep exploring AI. Let's dive deeper.